And we're going to try that today with your help. I'm going to ask for 3 notes, 3 random notes from audience members, and I'm going to spin it into a composition. Does anyone have a note?